Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Distinguished guests and my dear friends, today world is observing AIDS Day as declared by UN. Now, this college, Vidhya Prabodhini College of Commerce, they took initiative for observing this day and making awareness among the government youths. So a pledge is going to be taken after this speech, and I'm very happy that because of the initiative of this institution throughout Goa, among the youths, we are taking a pledge against the spread of AIDS and increasing rate of HIV. And regarding this aspect, the awareness is the best solution to it. I was a governor in Mizoram, wherein people are good at heart and law-abiding citizens, but at the same time, HIV rate is more, of course, according to my information, first position in India. Then I had occasion to study in my own way about the HIV increasing tendency. Then I found that actually sex relationship is not the criterion, not the main important root behind it, cause behind it, and use of drugs and other things is a real villain in this world. You see, Mizoram is very near to the old state of Burma. Free access between this Mizoram and Myanmar is there. And when I started my study, I found that without passport anything, 16 kilometers to the either side, Indian side and Myanmar side, people can go freely. So through that process, of course, the dangerous situation existing there, drug peddling is very much increasing, and that is a real cause behind the increase of HIV number in Aiswal and other parts of the Mizoram. So that's why I am saying, instead of treating the patients or trying to ward off HIV, the most important thing is awareness among the youths. For that purpose, I have written one article also in my collection of my book, Straight Line, regarding these types of challenge: cancer, HIV, and the cardiological problems in Mizoram. As a governor, in the official book, I have mentioned, I have given the details regarding this social menace. Now in Goa, I am very happy to say that the most important solution suggested for this, that is awareness among the people. We are taking a pledge, and for the implementation also, the youths of this Goa especially students from this college and other institutions, Vidhya Prabodhini College and other institutions, they are coming forward. Definitely, government people, government Sarkar, as well as Raj Bhavan would welcome it. I'm just thinking, during the last century, World Health Organization declared that to eradicate contagious disease, they have taken a pledge to remove this eradication process, and through that process eradicate all these plague, TB and other such types of diseases. But to a very great extent, in the last end of the last century, the universe is succeed in its attempt, UN is succeed in its attempts, World Health Organization is succeed in its attempt to ward off this social menace, contagious diseases. But on the starting point of 2001 onwards, that is 21st century, now we are facing AIDS as a challenge, Ebola virus as a challenge, COVID is also a challenge. So such a challenge, there is no foolproof 100% successful remedy under the modern medicine system. So under such circumstance, it is the need of the hour that to ward off HIV and other things, we will have to do more and more for the awareness process among the people. Today morning I visited an orphanage, and today in Raj Bhavan I arranged a lunch for this HIV affected group of some inmates in I am not mentioning its name, inmates in an orphanage. Those HIV affected people are coming here. Raj Bhavan is welcoming just like honorary visitors to Raj Bhavan, and Governor is also taking food along with them in the Raj Bhavan at 1 o'clock. So we will have to give confidence to such patients, and of course for their welfare, through that process, instead of social boycott, we will consider them as our own brothers and sisters and our own children. I think we will be able to make wonders in this process, and I am requesting the youths of Goa to come forward voluntarily for fighting against this HIV and AIDS, and I am hopeful that we will be able to handle this successfully. And once more, I am thanking all of you for attending this function and taking pledge, and your decision to go on with the process of ward off and awareness process, and I congratulate all of you. And I pray namaskar to all, and at the same time, once more I am repeating, don't try to ostracize these types of HIV patients from our social life. Instead of that, we will be more and more cooperate with them, give confidence to them. Now, present medical setup in our country, we are able to do better treatment to them, and through that process, their longevity in life also be increased to a very great extent. I am once more requesting all of you to cooperate with this, and thank you very much. Jai Hind. I hereby solemnly swear that
I hereby solemnly swear that
as the youth of the nation,
to
understand and do good to the society,
understand and do good to the society,
and self
and self,
to think
to think,
before I act and always reflect on my actions.
before I always reflect on my actions.
I swear to contemplate
Swear to contemplate
the deeds around me
the deeds around me
and judge what is best for me
and judge what is best for me
in terms of
in terms of
mental,
mental,
physical,
physical,
social,
social,
and psychological health
and psychological health
and well-being.
and well-being.
I swear to abide by
Swear to abide by
this oath
this oath
and spread the same spirit
and spread the same spirit
within my peers
within my peers
to be safe,
to be safe,
secure,
secure,
and aware
and aware,
and grow as a
and grow as a
global citizen of my country.
global citizen of my country.
The purpose of organizing this awareness program was to take to the youth the message that this problem of AIDS cannot be solved overnight. There are continuous efforts which are required to tackle this issue. This has become the largest menace. It was a few years ago, and even today it can be explosive if we don't take the proper care. Our belief is that if you follow the Indian traditions, the way we have overcome the pandemics by following our traditional ethos that have been given to us by our ancestors, in the similar way, by following the very path which our ancestors followed, especially the youth icon Swami Vivekananda has said that the youth should have a very healthy life, which is very eco-friendly, conducive to nature. And if we follow some simple practices like this, we can definitely curtail this menace of AIDS. So this was the purpose in the organization of the today's event. In fact, we were very happy that the Governor of Goa, Honorable Shri Sreedharan Pillai sir, has come forward and has supported our efforts. I thank all my organizing team for making this program a meaningful one.
So how many students have participated in this event?
We had contacted around 4,000 students of Goa online mode, but due to some technical issues, I think 1,500 students have taken benefit of this program. And we have recorded this program, so we are definitely going to be posted on our website, and as well as we are going to share it with the other colleges.